Alright, congrats guys. How does it feel to get that trophy?
Well, it was our first tournament together. So, you know, it feels great, man. I mean, we were excited, but, you know, we feel good now. We got it done.
What was the ride like throughout the past 2 days?
Oh, man, it's been tiring. You know, some of us got old legs already, but the passion in the game, it just never stops. So we just got to keep playing. It comes here. It starts from here, and then we just play out.
You guys played a lot of leagues? A lot of tournaments?
No, this was our first tournament together representing our league, the Addicts. Yeah.
You came in and you dominated.
All right, man.
We tried, man. We're OG. It's experience. That got us here, man.
Got to give it to shout out to Justin for this nice tournament. We do play leagues, and Albert, my man over here, is throwing. He always has leagues on Mondays and Wednesday nights at PBA Addicts in San Francisco. So pass through, man. This is the competition in San Francisco right here.
Yeah. Shout out to community sports basketball, man. Yep. You know, thank you for the invitation. We feel great, man. It's our first.
How was it like playing with the young ones?
Man, you see what happened, man.
Yeah.
I mean,
Tired.
but you know,
Challenge.
when you play, man, competition, man, you got to be ready for anything.
All right, well, thank you guys. Enjoy your championship.
All right, thanks, man.
All right, thank you.
Baby, let's go, champions.
PBA Addicts.
Straight up. Look, I live the life I deserve. Bless.